Having an online business allows you to enter the online economy. It is a crisis-proof business model that will resist all current and future employment crises. I can't stay idle when I see I am going to the wall. This means I have the fundamental mindset to be an entrepreneur. I am not a victim, and I don't want to feel like one. Can I do it? If I see that others are doing it and succeed with an online business, why would I not be able to do it? I just have to learn the skill needed to do the same. When I was a baby, I see all others around me walking. I don't ask myself if I can do it. I just see others can do it. So I do it also. And I am no crawling anymore. But to succeed, I need to be committed. If I was just interested, I was just stopping to try to walk the first time I failed. There's too much technology, and I don't know anything about it. For sure, this whole part can be very intimidating, but I have a smartphone, and I use it every day. This is a big piece of technology too. Does this impress me? I see others using it, so if others can use it, the same for me. In fact, in the end, you have just some step-by-step guide to follow to configure all the things and have it working. Most of the time is not more complex than using a text editor or an email account. Will I be able to understand all this? I have already bought something. What is the process that made me take the plunge and make the decision to buy? I will learn all about it. Is it complicated? Not really. But still, yes. It's like walking. It's not really complicated, but it involves a lot of learning to succeed. I am not a native English speaker, which has helped me a lot to progress in English. Do I fail at starting my online activity? Indeed. I can't get everything right the first time, and I hope I won't. The problem is that if you get it right the first time, you won't learn, and later, if something goes wrong, you'll have to start over. With every failure and every problem, I learn and progress along the journey of this business. It is just the succession of imperfect actions that let me progress and succeed. Don't hesitate to contact us to learn more. Visit deservedlifestyle.com.